And we are live. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to another Rebels Capital, aka Negativity with Success. And yes, welcome to another day talking about the stock market. So today is the 22 of June 2026. Yeah, man, we're gonna go through a run through of everything. Of everything what's going on now in the stock market. If you like the video, please click like, subscribe. Yes, no, maybe so. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So, like I said, today is the 22nd of June, Monday. So as usual, the biggest drama that always happens is on the stock market as usual. So today we are Gucci, we are positive. Just wanted to show you the indexes. Why am I sitting here? Okay. So now the stock market just opened, right? Like 4 minutes ago. The indexes are they're a bit up today. Still on that AI play, AI and semiconductors. As you can see, the S&P 500 is just down a little bit by 0.21. Dow Jones is up actually by 0.26. Nasdaq 100 is down just a little by 0.09%. The European index is up today. Everyone is looking happy. Everyone is happy actually. No one seems sad today. So yeah, man, the FTSE is also up by 0.56. Eurostox is up by 0.38. Your Asian markets, which is the Hang Seng, which is the Chinese index, which is it's down today by 0.65. Australian index is down by 0.14. Nifty 50 is up 0.37. So yeah, man, that's about it in terms of the indexes. So overall, it's because of people are still positive in terms of that US Iran deal, but it seems like that yeah, man, people don't give a fuck. Let me just summarize that way. People just don't care about that deal anymore. It seems that they've walked past it, and the Federal Reserve gave out a negative speech on Thursday actually. So yeah, man, people start giving a fuck about that. They still buying the stocks regardless of what's going on. So yeah, man. So ever since, let's just summarize it like this: ever since COVID, people don't actually care. Nothing was as negative actually as COVID. Let me just summarize it that way. So even if we have like very bad news, there's like a bomb next door. No one cares, bro. No one cares. It's like as long as they can walk, talk, and breathe, the rest of the world can walk, talk, and breathe. No one cares unless we get a bombing at the stock exchange. That's a different one. That's a different one. Or if there's like a power outage or like something of that sort, something got hacked, something of that sort. But so far, no one gives a fuck today. No one gives a fuck ever since the COVID thing. Nothing was as bad as that. And then moving on today in terms of the biggest winners and losers, I'm gonna start with this company called AG, APGE. That was one of the biggest winners. Go, there we go. So yeah, man, this one is up today by 40%. 40%. It's basically like a biotech company. Look at this shit, bro. This thing went from 84 to 132 just today alone. So it's because of this company today was getting a bid to be bought by Abby for a deal. Let me just show you the company. There we go. So yeah, man, they want to buy this company for $10.9 billion. So yeah, man, this biotech is trying to buy another biotech basically. So this is the company that's doing the buying. AbbVie, it's up by 4%. So the whole street took it as good news today. So yeah, man, they're trying to buy this AGPE company, therapeutics. It's also a biotech company for $10.9 billion. So yeah, man, that's what moved the market. So the overall sentiment that it's a good thing they're doing that. And then the second thing that went higher today was Micron Technologies. It's currently sitting at 1,189. It's up 4%. It's still up based on that AI news that's driving the whole stock market basically these days. So yeah, man. And then the other company that was making headlines was a company called Bitfufu. Bitfufu. Fufu Inc. So they are generally in the crypto space. Just to summarize it. So yeah, what's happening in this company? It's currently sitting at $1.91. It's up. It's up 12%. So they did a program buyback, right, for $5 million. So yeah, man. So people who are holding this company are getting rewarded, basically, just to make it sweet, short, and simple. Yeah, man. Now it's currently singing. It's currently there, up 12%. And then a next one was this company. It's a pharmaceutical company. So yeah, basically this one, just to keep it sweet short, was that it was up today because of a licensing deal with this other company called Hesico. So yeah, man, it's just being able to distribute and sell medication and drugs, basically. Just say drugs in overall. So yeah, man, that was the biggest winners today for that one. And then the biggest loser today is SpaceX. I don't understand why. SpaceX. No, 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 no. Here we go. Mr. Elon Musk today is losing a lot of money. It's just down by 9%. But damn, bro, from 215. Yo, man, so it's day three of losing ever since it's been going public. So this thing was at 215, now it's at 167. Yeah, man, it seems like people are not so fond of Musk here, but they love Tesla at the end of the day. So yeah, man, it's one of those things. It's just 3 days since it went public. And then the other one that is also going down is because the peace deal actually. No, man. There we go. This one, Palantir actually. I just clicked on the wrong thing. Palantir. Palantir also a biggest loser today. Also, it's because of that war thing is trying to get resolved first of all. So yeah, man, they don't really need them that much. Plus, it went even higher, dude. This thing was like playing around. If I'm not mistaken, it was playing around 80. Now it's at 124. Damn, bro. So yeah, man, this one is up because it's down today 3%, because of this rate hike with the Federal Reserve, and also the Iran deal that these two countries are working on. So it's still on hold. So yeah, man, so they don't have to track anyone so far. They don't have to track and kill anyone. That's what they use. They use Palantir to track um bad characters, whoever they consider as a terrorist. And another one was a company called Almo Gold. It's down because of a gold pullback today and a Fed decision on Thursday that they're gonna increase rates. Basically, that's also another company that went down today. And then another one was Allion Baby Communities. If I'm not mistaken, is it this one? Wait, let me just check something out. So this one was down actually. It was down because of the Federal Reserve increasing rates, and this is basically like your realtor company. So they're very sensitive in terms of rate hikes and rate cuts in overall. So yeah, man. So this one is a bit, yeah. It used to be down, now it's up now, I guess. So yeah, man. That was about it in terms of biggest losers and winners. So overall, the companies that are connected to gold are down today, right? So yeah, man, that's about it. So this one, I just want to elaborate more about this Abby deal, right? So why this deal is very good today is because of this is one of the biggest deals since 2019, right? The biggest biotech buyout of 2026. And yeah, man, so this is gonna make it overall, right? In terms of biotech, there's been 200 billion in buybacks and acquisitions and buyouts, right? So the reason why they're buying the other company is because of the drugs, the drugs that they make for Alzheimer's. So yeah, man. So they are big into that memory loss. What you call this drugs. So this one is gonna be like one of the biggest winners. Is still gonna go even higher today. Let me see here. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the fuck are you buffering, dude? Okay. There we go. So yeah, man. That's one of the biggest deals today. Because of just trying to get into that. Uh, they're just trying to get to the space of memory loss. So they see a potential of making a lot of money there. Yeah, man. In terms of business and mergers and stories, this one was the biggest one. And then we still had another company called OpenAI. It's not public as yet, right? This company, Getty, Getty Images, Getty Images. So basically, they are going to get a special deal today. It's up 100%, 100%, boy. So the reason of this is because of AI is going to, OpenAI to be specific, is going to use their images moving forward in terms of generating images in their, what you call this, in their AI processing. So it's gonna be like your what you call this, chat GPT. You can create images using this company to be specific. So yeah, man, that's why this company is up from $1. So now it's currently at $1.19. It's up 100%. And this thing was 0.5. And people already, it seems like people already know about this deal. It's up 50%. Very interesting. It seems like people already knew 3 months ahead that OpenAI needed a company like this. So yeah, man, that was one of the biggest stories today. Yeah, one of the biggest two stories to be specific. And then going to economic calendar, there's nothing really special happening this week. The Federal Reserve was the one who pushed the momentum in terms of like, are we positive? Are we negative? So overall, it seems like the sentiment is positive. But a few numbers are gonna come out this week in terms of economic calendar. So tomorrow we're expecting the global flash PMI. So that's the economic numbers that we're expecting tomorrow. And then next one is your new home sales. New home sales is the next one on Wednesday. And then on Thursday, it's core CPI inflation number. And then on Friday, we're expecting the US Michigan. So yeah, man. So overall, this for the week, we're expecting new home sales. Yeah, man. New home sales is gonna be a big one on Tuesday. So relaxed. Nothing has been happening. So it seems like even the US Iran thing deal has fell off. But no one cares, dude. No one cares. So yeah, man, Iran has like literally left the table and said, you know what? We're gonna leave these guys, bro. We're gonna leave these guys to speak on the amongst themselves because we don't care, bro. So yeah, man. So basically, investors and traders have pushed that news on the side. We're not getting any deal anytime soon. So if we did, it could happen by now. But yeah, people are still stalling. And then the earnings report we're expecting to this week. So from now until the 26th of June is Micron Technologies, the company we just opened now. This one, the chip maker, the company, the billion dollar company, basically. And then the second one is here's it. This thing was just taking time to open. Micron is on Wednesday, so this thing is gonna even run higher, dude. It might even go to 1.5. So people are probably buying this Monday, today, tomorrow. So yeah, man, why it's up. They had what you call this? They have that mentality that it's gonna go higher, even higher this week. And then I spoke to it again tomorrow. FedEx is one that's delivery. Let me see if I can open it. Yeah, I'm seeing that one. So FedEx B129 content. Yeah, man. So FedEx and then one more. So kind of based on basically traveling. Let me just open that. So yeah, that's the one here. Uh, so now on Carnival, the Carnival one is like it's consumer traveling behavior, right? So are people still spending on the same way in traveling, so taking cruises and yeah, man, we'll see on that one tomorrow. Probably might be out tomorrow. Yeah, man, I guess we'll see. So yeah, man, that's about it. I'm to since the Federal Reserve there's nothing in terms of and then the British pound against the US dollar. Obviously British pound, and then the third one is the British pound to the Swiss franc, dollar to the Japanese yen. So yeah, man, education is now playing at 100 to be exact, $100.61. So yeah, it means that it's that the strongest it's ever been because of still one of the most traded currency in the world. Every country in the world uses the dollar to make trade. So that conspiracy that everyone is getting off that hasn't happened as yet. Yeah, about it. The currencies. So yeah, on now. On obviously as well this Iran and the US dollar, Iran and the US basically um deal, right? There's no progress as yet, but yeah. Moving on to other one is the oil. Oil is also another important one. It should be down today actually, because we're sick and tired of higher. So yes, ever since the Fed on Thursday, this 100 from 96 to be exact to 70. So price down very much. So we're still Gucci in terms of as well as the Iran peace progress. That's pushing it even further. Yeah, man, that's about it in terms of those situations. And then on to the biggest market in the world behind the stock market. It's the bonds, obviously, because of these billions and billions of bonds are around 4.9, 10 years 4.4, 5 years playing at 4.2, the 2 years playing. They're all green today. They should on the stock market. But yeah, man, everything is still green. Funny enough. And then I'm on to the crypto bros, the crypto bros. Let me see, 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 let me see. So yeah, man, as you can see now, crypto are also positive with the stock market. So yeah, man, they have a relation in terms of if the 30 S&P 500 and the Dow Jones are positive, normally Bitcoin will also be positive for the day. So they have this intertwined relationship. That is, yeah, man. If they move, if that other one moves, this one also moves. So yeah, what I'm seeing now is that Bitcoin, it ended in the red, right? Playing around below that 62,300. So because of a lot of institutions like BlackRock, Fidelity, Vanguard,